This is Tim Willis, and with only a copy of OBS and a laptop with a built-in microphone, this is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. We're going to be looking at a program called FreeConvert in just a bit, but I want to do the setup on what I am using it for. So this is a editor called Microsoft Clipchamp. Because I record with just the built-in laptop microphone, we get a lot of noise and things that are undesirable for video. And I noticed that some of the earlier videos I edited with this program had that problem. As I've learned more about Clipchamp, I've learned that you can come here and detach the audio as a separate track. That's good. What's bad is it doesn't do a format that every program understands. This is the extracted audio. Let's go to our properties. And it is a M4A file. Eventually I plan on running this through Adobe Podcast, and Adobe Podcast does not recognize that format, and so we have to change it to something else. We also, with Adobe Podcast, you need to change it to something that is not an MP4 format as well, because they'll say, hey, that's a video and we won't do it. They will do it for audio tracks. So that's kind of our challenge for the moment. But what we're doing with is the in-between part of that. Getting this converted in preparation to run it through Adobe Podcast. So the program I am going to demonstrate today is called FreeConvert. Free meaning it's free until it's not free. So let's take a look at that issue first. This is the billing page. If you notice that they are not free, but there's a loophole. If we come down here to our facts section, it says, can I try freeconvert.com for free? And here's what it says. Free users get 20 conversion minutes per day for both web and API use. For most users, a conversion would take only a minute or less. This means up to 20 files per day can be converted for free. You do not need to create an account to get these benefits on our website. So we have determined there is a daily limit we have with this, but if we just need to do a file or two, like I have to here, then this should suit our needs. And then, of course, it's very clickbaity with all these ads, so you need to watch out what you're going to click on. However, apparently, according to Trustpilot, if you trust Trustpilot, it has some very good reviews. Just be aware of the rules and use with caution. But for this is one file I'm going to do, it should be fine. And by the way, this is about a 4-minute or so file. Okay, and then if we look at our output here, we can choose several things in the audio realm. We can even convert to video if we wanted to. But we want to go audio, and we will go MP3. There's some advanced settings, some API stuff, or remove file, but we're just going to click convert. So we're going to go ahead and choose our file from the device. There's an audio file. Been added. Our output is MP3. We can change that if we want to, and we can change the audio to different audio formats and video to different video formats. Got some settings, API, remove file. I've never messed with that. Just click on convert. And that's about a format file we're converting, by the way. It's all pretty fast, so we're ready to download. Save the device. And there we have it. There's our MP3 file. And so that means I'll be able to take that file, put it in Adobe Podcast, and clean up the sound some. After that, I will be returning that to Clipchamp and put it back with the video portion and have much better audio. Anyway, that is sort of the down and dirty on Free Convert. You can do up to 20 minutes a day free without having to sign up or anything. It has a whole bunch of formats you can convert to. It's just one of those little tools that you may need as you go along doing things. So, that is it for now. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, funnel building, web page design, and all the tools we use, like Free Convert in this case, to get our work done. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.